Systems change is important because in order to live in an equitable society, we got to break the systems. The systems that have been put in place are inequitable. There's a narrative that has been perpetuated throughout history in this nation, and it's that Black people want to stay in the situation that they are currently in, and they're lazy.
And those narratives are harmful because they omit the systems at work that cause that oppression and cause that discrimination. Our work is to flip those narratives and to let people know what we can do to overcome the barriers of those systems.
And so at the Urban League, we are going against that narrative by making sure that we are providing the resources that our community needs in order to provide for their families and do better for themselves. Sometimes I've run into people that don't realize all of the things that we do at the Urban League, including policy advocacy, including our workforce programs, our financial empowerment programs. And I want to be able for people to know, like, we offer all of these different things for everyone.
I also love that we serve people who are in so many different spaces in life, right? We can serve people who are looking to buy a home or people who are just starting their first business. We also serve people who may be in some really hard times, but still have that hope and the perseverance to move forward.
So the biggest opportunity for change in our community is to listen to people. There's this idea that Black people want the same things and should want the same things, and that's not the case. And so being able to have intimate conversations and listening to people and say what they actually want and need is how we're going to change and move the needle forward. It's not just one thing, it's so many different things that are working together. It's systemic issues, it's financial issues, it's social issues, it's health issues, it's everything working together.
I think more people are curious, and I think that's a really good place to be because, as I said before, education is a really big part of systems change and making sure that people understand that systems are not broken. Systems are doing exactly what they were created to do.
I think this work has changed because more people are talking about it. Having these conversations where I don't have to explain myself every single time as to why this work is important is very helpful to keep moving and pushing and doing the work.
Until we get to the point where we can have just systems whose outcomes are meant to be equitable for everyone involved, we're just spinning our wheels. The individual doesn't have the same impact, and so we have to work at a systems level to create real change.